Fruits that start with M. Mandarin Fruit, also known as Bauia macrophylla or mango plum. Mandarin is a tropical fruit. These fruits have a similar color as a mango when they are ripe. Macadamia Fruit. Most people think the macadamia plant only grows nuts, whereas in reality, macadamia plants also grow fruits. Madrono Fruit. Madrono fruit is not eaten raw. It is used to make liqueurs, beverages, and jam. Malay apple fruit, scientifically known as Syzygium malaxense. Malay apple fruit is grown in tropical climates. It is widely used in the production of wine. Mammy fruit, mostly found in Central America. Mammy fruit is an oval-shaped fruit that is also known as tropical tea fruit. Mammy apple fruit. Related to mangosteens, Mammy apple is a juicy fruit. Before ripening, Mammy is hard, however once ripe, it gets softened and easier to eat. Mamonsilo fruit. Want to have a wine bite? Well, try having Mamonsilo fruit. The flavor of Mamonsilo fruit is similar to that of wine. Mandarin fruit. One of the most well-known oranges in the market, Mandarin orange fruit is a lot of people's go-to snack. Mangaba fruit. A weird combination of an apple and an orange. Mangaba fruit comes from South American countries. It is an oval berry-shaped fruit with a sweet flavor. Mango fruit. Who doesn't like mangoes? Mangoes are one of the most sold fruits in the fruit kingdom. Sweet in taste, appealing as milkshakes, mango has a lot of different types. Mangosteen fruit. As the name suggests, mangosteen fruit is from the mango family. It is a tropical fruit that originates from Asia. Manila tamarind fruit. Commonly found in southern countries, Manila tamarind fruit is an edible fruit that is sour in taste. Manawal fruit. Manawal fruit is scientifically known as Manawal collinsoy. It is similar to young Catacadia. Macri fruit. Macri fruit comes in a beautiful purple color. Native to Chile, macri fruit is also commonly known as a berry fruit. Meringue fruit. Commonly known as a cousin of jackfruit, meringue fruit has a weird odor. It smells like gasoline and tastes like a pear. Marionberry fruit. A specific kind of blackberry. Marionberry is a hybrid between oleli and chehalam blueberries. The taste is tart with a little hint of sweetness. Marilla fruit. Marilla fruits are harvested on the ground. They fall off a tree after they ripen. It is commonly used in making beers and cosmetic products.